Now we are going to discuss about the project is artificial intelligence based cyber security threats in financial institutes. Now we are going to discuss about the flow of our project. This is the flow of our project. First, we need to collect one input data set. Actually, the main objective of project is to detect or identify the financial in some cyber threats using the different machine learning algorithms. First, we need to take on input data. So the data was collected from some dataset repositories like Kaggle, GitHub, or UGI machine repository. The collected data is carried out to input data. So with the help of pandas package, so we can easily read our input data. The selected or loaded the input data is carried out to pre-processing step. Here we can check any missing values is present or not, because your data set contains a number of rows and columns. If you have any missing values, means we need to replace that missing values by zeros for avoid the wrong prediction. Then label encoding. So label encoding means we need to convert the string into numeric integer value. The pre-processed data is carried out to data splitting module. So here we can split the whole image into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Based on ratio, we can split the whole data set. Majority of the data is present in training part and smaller portion of the data is present in testing part. The splitter data is carried out to classification model. Here we can implement three different classification algorithms such as random forest, KNN and adapboost. So with the help of these algorithms we can compare the result. The result in a sense that is the accuracy. So based on that accuracy only we conclude which algorithm is efficient. So with the help of that efficient algorithm, so we can predict the either the particular input data is financial or not. Then finally we can compare the all algorithms based on accuracy in the form of graph. So this is the flow of our project. Then we are going to discuss about how to run. So first we need to open your financial fraud, that is the data. Open file, go to your folder where the file will be present. We need to open .py file. After opening, right click on your file, set console working directory, then click run. So this is the output of our project. First we need to choose our input data set and checking missing values. So checking missing values means, so here we have some number of missing values. 0 indicates there is no missing values, and 2 indicates there is a 2 missing values for corresponding columns. We need to replace that missing values by zeros or drop that missing value. So after replacing the missing value, so all the columns is considered as a 0. So then label encoding, here we need to convert the string into numeric integer value. So this type is string and converted. Then data splitting, this is the result for random forest algorithm and KNN and adapboost. Then finally we can predict, given already we are given on input data, so it is a financial fraud or non-fraud. Then we can compare the three algorithms in the form of graph. Thank you. Hi sir, first we need to discuss about the topic is identifying the gender of human cyber attackers using machine learning techniques. First, the objective of the project, we need to identify the who the persons attackers or not, or what kind of attackers. So this is the objective and this is the flow of our project. First we need to take one set of input images. So the input image is carry out to carry out the pre-processing steps. So here we can resize the original image and grayscale conversion. Resize in a sense it is the fixed size of your project, and grayscale conversion in a sense convert the black and white images. In the pre-processing is carry out to image splitting model. Here we can split whole images into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train image is used for evaluation. So first we need to identify the phase. So after that we need to classify, implementing the classification algorithms, that is the CNN and random forest. Random forest is the machine learning algorithms. Then finally, with the help of classification algorithm, we can identify the person is attackers or not. Then if it is attackers means what kind of attackers they are. Then finally we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate. So this is the flow of our project. Then we are going to discuss about how to execute. So we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. First, we need to install some required packages. So already we are installed the required packages. How you can install the required packages means first we need to open Anaconda prompt run as admin. So what are the packages is necessary means OpenCV, TensorFlow, Keras. If you want to install some packages means just put the command pip install TensorFlow. Pick the enter, so it will be installing. So same thing again you need to put another package Keras. This is the second package. Then third package is OpenCV Python. So these three packages is required. So first after opening your main file main.py, just a minute. File open. So this is your main file. Click the second option, set console working directory and run. So once run, automatically the tkinter will be open. You need to choose the input image from your dataset. I can choose one input image from our dataset. Original image, resized, grayscale. This is the feature extracted image. Detecting the face. Detecting the face. This is the result for CNN algorithms, and this is for random forest and prediction. So prediction in essence, so it will be analyzing your if the person is attacker, so what kind of attacker. So this is the identification of gender human attackers. So thank you.